everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Join me today as we are going to be doing some outdoor cleaning. So we're going to be cleaning things outside the house. I do tend to do a lot of things inside, but because it's now warmer and spending a little bit more time outside, today I'm going to be showing you all the things that I've been cleaning outdoors, starting with the play mats. So I've got two children, as you know, and the boys tend to play with the mats, and they do harbor a lot of germs and dirt and stuff like that. And it was a very hot and sunny day, so I decided to tackle that with some warm water and my Dishmatic, which had a washing up liquid, and I just scrubbed and left it out to dry. Literally spent the whole day out in the sun drying, so I was quite happy with that. Next task, I was going to do the windowsills. They really needed some attention. So because we are spending a little bit more time outside, the windowsills definitely needed some TLC. I just grabbed the Cif Cream Cleaner and my Dishmatic again. This is like a perfect combination. I like using this and it works really well. And especially if you want to just use the Cif Cleaner on its own, or you choose to add a washing up liquid, it also works really well. Especially taking out all the cobwebs as well. That was really quite interesting, because if you are scared of spiders, let me know in the comment section below, how do you tackle this task? Because I did get my little siblings to help me out and get rid of the spiders for me before I did this, but I found this to be very well, I don't want to call it a bonding exercise, but it was very interesting to see how we can all tackle this. But I ended up doing all the cleaning, of course, and yeah, they really needed it. I think obviously they've not been touched all winter, so because now it's a lot warmer and we are spending, like I said, a lot more time outside, I ended up doing all of the windows. Wasn't actually planned to doing, but ended up doing it. Once I start, I tend to get this little boost of energy that comes out of nowhere, and I just can't seem to stop. So I did the windows as well. And you could probably say, well, why would you do that? It's a really hot day, shouldn't you be enjoying? I do want to relax, but sometimes I just find the things there and they just bother me, and I just can't help myself but to start cleaning. So that is what I actually ended up doing. I did the windows as well, did the windowsills, and please note I did this in 2 days, so it's not a one-day task. The next thing I'm going to be doing are these. They really needed some love. So again, washing up liquid is my favorite product to use, and then you either pour it inside the Dishmatic, or you can put it inside the dish, you know, warm soapy water. Do it that way, whichever way works for you. Wow. And the indoor ones, they were actually not as bad, to be honest, compared to the outdoors ones. I think because obviously they tend to be paid more attention to because it's inside compared to outdoors. Let me know in the comment section below how you guys clean these and how often do you do it. Is it something you do weekly, monthly, or as and when you can be bothered? Please let me know so I can get these done. As it is summer, and you know, we're going to be spending a lot more time outside. The children are also going to be playing outside, and this little Tykes Junior gym slide thing definitely needs some attention. It has been left outside all winter, so a lot of buildup is on it. I'm going to be using the Cif Cream Cleaner to just remove all that dirt. I want to see how much actually can come off using the Cif Cream Cleaner. I tend to go for the pink stuff, but today's the first time I'm actually trying the Cif Cream Cleaner on this, so I'm just gonna get it wet first. I find it just removes it a lot easier by just getting the surface wet, and I'm just going to pour it everywhere because everywhere needs some attention. I'm just going to scrub away. I didn't even know where my Dishmatic had gone at this point, but I'm just going to use this and just remove as much as I possibly can. So what are you guys looking forward to this summer? Do you guys have any are you guys going on holiday, or are you staying at home, or are you're not even sure yet? You're just going to go with the flow. This year I'm doing a little bit of traveling and a little bit more of home as well, so nothing too exciting, but that's what I'm going to be doing. But I'm looking forward to uploading a lot more cleaning videos because I'm going to be spending a lot more time outside. So look forward to that. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are wanting to see from the channel. I'm going to be uploading a lot more, so I literally batch created all my content for the next 3 weeks, so I have quite a lot of things, so look forward to those. I have a lot more decluttering videos and some more cleaning motivation videos. If that's the thing that you like, this is the channel for you. I have lots and lots and lots of videos on this channel with just different cleaning things in different parts of the house, inside, outdoors. Actually, I think I have more indoor videos than I do outside videos. Just basically repeated the process to get the desired result. Like I mentioned, this video was done in 2 days, so I didn't do all these tasks in 1 day, so please don't ever feel like you have to do all these things in 1 day because it's not possible. So yeah, these are all done in different days, and this video was done a little bit earlier as well, so maybe a few weeks earlier. So this was the pram. It needed some attention. Before I take off these bits and put them in the washing machine, I like to actually clean the pram itself first. I'm going to be using the Fairy Skip the soap to clean this. Absolutely adore Fairy Skip the Soak. I literally use it everywhere. I find it to be a bit too strong for things around the house, inside the house, but for outdoor cleaning, I literally love it. Like, it's probably like one of my top favorite products, so it's probably right there next to the pink stuff. So look forward to my content with me cleaning using that product. But that is it for me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and you have gained a lot of motivation, and we'll be cleaning some stuff outside. That is it from me. If you have any requests, please send me a DM on Instagram or let me know in the comment section below. That is it from me. I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a lovely day and do what you can. Don't do too much. That's it. Bye.